How to submit 1099 form in Avalara. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in avalara.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Avalara. And at the top right, you will see the option of sign in. You have to click on it. Now go ahead and click on this option of sign in to the Avalara portal. And with that, you will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. So firstly, type in your username. Once you type in that, click on the option of next. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the Avalara platform where you can access tax forms. Look for an option related to Form 1099 or miscellaneous income reporting. Enter the information for the vendors or payees to whom you made payments that require reporting on Form 1099. This typically includes your name, address, tax identification number, TIN, and the amount paid. Once you have entered all the necessary information, Avalara should provide an option to generate Form 1099 based on the data you have entered. Follow the prompts to generate the form. Before submitting the Form 1099, review it carefully to ensure accuracy. You may have the option to edit the form if needed to correct any mistakes. Once you are satisfied that the Form 1099 is accurate and complete, you can proceed to submit it through Avalara. Follow the instructions provided by the platform to submit the form electronically to the IRS and, if applicable, to the state tax agency. If you are unsure about how to submit Form 1099 using Avalara, or if you encounter any difficulties, consult Avalara's help resources or contact their customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you will be able to submit 1099 form in Avalara. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.